Hello there everyone, my name is Prolo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, there's a lot of bad news. And there is a reason why Bitcoin is actually slumping down all the way from 28K all the way down to like 26.8 right now. And there is a lot of bad news. And in this video, I'm gonna show you all these bad news. I'm gonna show you how I'm looking at the things so I don't overtrade. And we're gonna make a conclusion whether it's really bad stuff or we should just be more objective. So let me show, because the news are really bad. I mean, some of the news are like scary bad. So let me just show it to you. And by the way, guys, I wasn't planning to make a video today. You know why? Because today, look, my wife did something funny. This is my breakfast because I'm working out now and trying to lose some weight. So this is a small surprise from my wife. I've turned 29 today. So you can leave a happy birthday down in the comments for Mr. Spot On. But we're gonna be preparing for a big party and gonna be going out today. But I still wanted to do a video for you guys because a lot of bad news is coming out. A lot of people are actually scared by what is happening. So I still decided to make this video like this quickly without the studio, just telling you about the news and how I'm looking at the news. So before we come back to the chart, let's talk about all this stuff, and there is quite a bit of stuff. So first things first, well, what people are looking at right now is that, for example, mortgage demand drops to the lowest level in 3 months. So this basically shows us that the whole economy is basically slowing down, okay? So there is a lot of fear that we're gonna be dumping into a recession. So this also, if you look at this, for example, then certainly it adds gasoline to the fire. Stocks slip as investors look to House vote on the debt ceiling, and NASDAQ pops nearly 6% in May. So basically, there was this fear of the debt ceiling, even though there is a deal on the table that has been, decided by McCarthy and Biden. The market was still very, scared of it. So for this reason, we saw a small drawdown. But again, look what happened. Yeah. Good face of Mr. McCarthy, debt ceiling deal, US House overwhelmingly passes the bill. So the next thing right now is, I believe, the Senate, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, and the chances are that they're not gonna pass it are like literally very slim. So we had this fear, now there is no fear of the debt ceiling deal at least. Next thing, Bitcoin recedes to 27K as Fed's master favors unabated tightening, well, meaning that they're gonna keep tightening, keep increasing the interest rates without any care for anything. So this is what also spooked the market. So also this is the really case. If they're gonna keep tightening, keep increasing the rates like crazy, this is gonna certainly the economy is already broken. We're already seeing this in the banking system. So if they're gonna keep going so crazy at it, it's not gonna do any good like whatsoever. So now next thing that comes out right after this, because remember this was made by Fed's master. Now what happens next? Fed prepares to skip June rate rise, but maybe hike later. So look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous. So this is the article actually that came out a little bit after the one that I just showed you. So there was this terrible fear of more rate hikes, and then Fed came out, and then somebody else from Fed came out and said absolutely the opposite. This is ridiculous. So that's why, as they say that these people from Fed are not supposed to be allowed to speak separately. Jerome Powell is supposed to be the only one who talks. That's it. Now, and for this reason, actually, this probability of no rate hike in June has just jumped to 63%. Now, that's not all. Next thing that has spooked the market, which is also bad news, is this. The China's factory activity falls faster than expected as recovery stumbles. So one of the biggest reasons why we are seeing this drawdown in Bitcoin, in my personal humble opinion, there's always a combination of factors, also including technical factors, of course. But one of the biggest ones, in my opinion, is that, China has showed supposedly bad PMI. So manufacturing is actually going down. So, and that's, if China is leading this kind of narrative for crypto right now, with starting today, by the way, starting to accept crypto licenses, the applications for crypto licenses, which is going to lead to a lot more liquidity flowing into crypto. So, which is really good. And now we have this, that, China is actually doing bad as well and slowing down, and the whole world is slowing down. So this is these are the fears that are driving the price. But now, just a couple of, because this was actually updated a day ago, and it has caused a lot of panic, a lot of selling pressure on Bitcoin. And look what happens here. Another article, also Reuters, which says China's factory activity swings to surprise growth in May. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. So this is like 5 hours ago. And so this is the absolute opposite of what we just saw in the previous Reuters article. How crazy is this? So, I mean, is this some kind of manipulation? Is this all just some kind of propaganda? So this is how I'm looking at it, because some of these news are pretty bad. But when within a few hours, literally, something opposite comes out, this just tells me that this is like some kind of suppression, manipulation, or just a coincidence. But it certainly is not going to serve as a reason for me to exit my trade, to sell my Bitcoin. It's not a reason. Could be wrong, not financial advice. You guys do what you want. Call me down below, comment down below what you guys are doing. And remember that if you want to be putting in trades on the exchange that you can trust, we're going to take a look at some very cool technicals right now. Then you can use my link down in the description of this video to claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. Also, still have this $30,000 AP that I need to give away. You need to deposit minimum of $100 to enter into a random giveaway of $30,000 Audemars Piguet watch. Also, if you deposit more than $500 and maintain this trading deposit on Bybit using my link down in the description, then you'll get my famous paid crypto course for absolutely free, which is claimable in my Discord. Guys, important, wake up. In my Discord, you can claim this. And all deposited users get access to my Crypto Signals community for free. There is a link to it down in the description of this video. Also, this incredible trading community that you cannot pay for. You cannot get in any other way than this way. So only for Bybit traders who've used my link, and it's a big exchange. It's got good commissions. It's got no stupid slippage or other factors that will impact your trading, like all these small garbage exchanges. So use Bybit. Richard, that's what I'm personally using. So now going back to the chart, and certainly, I mean, having said everything I've said in this video, it just makes me conclude that there is no reason to worry ever that much, really. If you're gonna take a look at technicals, yes. So we had this resistance, and actually look how spot on this is. This is crazy. 28,300. We're moving to the, like, it's perfect. Resistance. Perfect short-term short trade from here for this small move. Perfect short trade. By the way, guys, if you're interested in becoming, I have one more seat actually freed up this week, because it's interesting how the one gets freed up and then we fill it. For my VIP mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, where I teach you how to trade myself personally. So, and all the things that I know, it's also about business, entrepreneurship, mindset, etc. There is a link down in the description of this video to sign up for a call with my team to find out how much it costs, because it's not cheap, but it is an amazing mentorship, one-on-one with me. You get access to me personally, my phone number. So, and also how the process works, etc. So jump on a call with my team, see how it works, and we'll be happy to see you among my inner circle. So as of right now, as we are moving down here, we got supported slightly by this resistance. We've seen this resistance before, and now actually, technically, there is nothing bad happening yet. We are at very important support right now, which is this one, the red one, which comes in at 26,300. And then if we do break that one, then our next target is 25K. And this is actually where I want to add to my long trade, because I don't see like any big reason to worry, even technically, even if we go to 25K and then bounce off of it, beautiful. This is what we've been talking about. And actually the same thing right here, we're seeing very important support coming in. Yes, we broke this support that actually supported us a bit right here, this yellow support. And right now we're actually standing again, 26,600. This is also an important support that has been important previously. So these are the ones that I'm watching. And also volume. Guys, look at volume. Volume isn't that very big. So I still believe, I could be wrong, that this actual correction is just nothing more than a correction in this wedge. So like, you know, we bounce around and then we have to make a decision either down or up. And so for now, at this point, I'm betting on up, even if we're gonna grab some liquidity a bit lower, and it's gonna simply become a part of this up move. I mean, how deep it's gonna be, this downside move, it's gonna just give us an opportunity to enter into the long trade. So that's basically pretty much it, guys. Check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade, or this quick, I don't know where it is, as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And as for me, I'm gonna enjoy my birthday and just enjoy life and getting 1 year older. And next year I'm gonna be 30. Can you believe it? Unbelievable. All right, peace and love. Thanks for all. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.